Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Marcus Hayes and today I'm at not so sunny Southend on Sea in Essex. I'm here with my girlfriend Kat and Maude, the MOREDOOR Mk2 Escort. Later on this evening there's going to be a car meet down here called the Southend Throwback, which I think is being organised by a group called Fords on the Road UK. Me and Kat have come down here a few hours early. We're going to have a little wander around Southend, hit the arcades, and then hopefully later on hundreds of modified cars will descend on the seafront. So I've literally been here 5 minutes and I've already come across this Mk2 Escort running what looks like 16-inch Mondeo wheels. He's here for the Southend Throwback as well, and he just told me that the meet is actually further down near the casino, but we're going to park here for now and move it down there later on. Yeah, I used to come down to Southend quite a lot years and years ago. Back then I was in my first car, which was a purple Vauxhall Corsa that me and my mates used to call the Great. It had a really tiny engine, really massive speakers in the boot, and there was more smoke coming out the windows than I could ever actually get off the tyres. The old Southend cruises built up a bit of a reputation of people hooning around, and apparently they used to do illegal drag racing down here, which I never personally saw. So tonight there's already a court injunction, and anyone caught messing around will be having their cars taken off of them. So no drifting tonight. Oh, there you go, Olympic blue. Oh, yeah. Yeah! In the Mark 1. 3, 2, 1. What better way to kill some time than cake? Can you get anything else? Well, that was banging. I ain't had a wimpy in years, man. Oh, Bill, no drifting. It's now just gone 6 o'clock, so we're going to go down the other end of the seafront near the casino and see what's going on.
Yeah.
Right, so I'm at the location of the meet. There's not loads of cars here yet, but the meet only started about 20 minutes ago, so. just seen a Mark 1 and a Mark 2 Escort join the meet, so I'm going to go down there, park next to them and have a good look at her. Right, so the meet has filled up nicely now. Loads of people here, loads of cars. I just had a little bit of a hoon up and down, nothing too serious. Because as I say earlier, old Bill watching this one closely. I had loads of people trying to egg me on, telling me to do burnouts, but I resisted just. Getting cold now and the sun's starting to go down, and me and Kat are hungry, so we're going to go and try and park up the other end and see what grub we can have. So we're parked down the other end again. On the pavement, probably a bit naughty, but I see loads of other people are parked here, so hopefully it'll be all right. Looks so much better down here with all the lights on. No, we're gonna find somewhere to eat something. Right, I went for fish and chips. Gotta have a bit of fish and chips when you're down the coast. Kat went for saveloy. Kat loves a bit of saveloy. Right, so me and Kat are going to finish our grub and then we're going to head off home. A massive shout to Fords on the Road UK for organising the epic event. I'll leave a link to their Facebook page in the description of this video. Me and Kat are getting up early tomorrow as we're going down to Santa Pod for the Door Slammers event. You'll be able to see that in another video, so if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to stay right up to date. I've also already started filming an update video on my ST170 Mk2 Escort project. That's being filmed over a few days, but that'll be ready to view soon as well. As always, if you thought this video was any good, give it a thumbs up and a share. If you thought it was shit, give it a thumbs down. Make sure you check out my Facebook and my Instagram, and I'll leave the links you need for that in the description of this video. Until next time, thanks for watching.